Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm trying to hurry up because for one, I have practice, and two, I don't have that much memory. So I'm gonna give you guys a room tour because my room's kind of cute. I wasn't gonna do this at first because nothing is really complete yet. I was supposed to have a mirror, a little table cover, etc. But I'm like, school already started, so look, we're just gonna do it. We're gonna wing it. So I'm gonna start from my bathroom. Ew. When you walk in, this is what you see. When you first walk in, you see my little mirror and my carpet slash rug, whatever. This is the least favorite part. Oh, hey, how you doing? It's the least favorite part because it's the bathroom, of course, and two, I just randomly picked something. I really wanted like a marble shower thingy to match my little soap holders. Yeah, I love marble, by the way. But yeah, it wasn't, I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna move on. So when you walk in here, this is my favorite part, of course. Don't mind that, this right here in that chair and that back there. But this is the vanity I was talking about. It's so cute and antique. But my mama forgot the mirror. It's supposed to be, you know, a mirror right here. And here's my little thingies, my little pictures. I made this last year, my freshman year, and of course, y'all have seen all this before. It's bigger, so I have more stuff. But anyway, my MacBook. Of course, you guys seen this before in my last video. You got this. In my room, the theme is supposed to be like royal, white and gold, heavenly. You know what I'm saying? Why is he? Rocco. Okay, anyway, it's supposed to be royal. So yeah. So here's my little white cover. I'm gonna always have white and gold, y'all. I don't know why. It's just something about it. I made this canopy out of a hula hoop, and it was 3-yard. I forgot what kind of fabric it was, but yeah, 3 yards of fabric on both sides. I spray painted that gold. I used a little ribbon to hook it up and stuff. Yeah, that was a struggle, but you know, I did it. Y'all didn't see this in the last video, this big old gold pillow. My granny made that. This is my TV. I need to turn it off. That's just my TV in Rocco's cage, and you guys saw this before. Basically, it's the same theme, just different, more stuff in a bigger room. And of course, this is where I record. It looks a mess because I just got through doing my makeup and stuff. But yeah, y'all seen all this before. Oh, excuse me. My bad. Yeah, y'all know this is my favorite thing. I put my lights here this time, even though they don't work anymore, sadly. I'm going to get some new ones, but I put them here. And this is something y'all haven't seen. Believe. It's so cute, right? So, here's my closet, yeah. I made this for my room. Ain't it cute? Hear me again. Hey, how you doing? My closet ain't nothing fancy. It's just, yeah. This supposed to be in here in my room, but I didn't like the way it looked compared to all this stuff. I like to keep the theme going, so that's why this chair is gonna be covered with a white cover because I can't. But yeah, here's my little ice box. If you're from Oklahoma, you know what an ice box is because people be clowning me. My shoes are up here. Let me turn the light on. My shoes are up here. Well, you know, I put cups in there so they can stick up, but for some reason that one is not working with me. But yeah, that's for my haul, so don't look at that. I'm gonna do a makeup, a clothing haul from Shein and stuff like that. But yeah, really, this is all. It's not really done like I said, but it's still cute. Let me show y'all again. Oh, ain't it cute? Oh my gosh. Besides all this black stuff you see, this is my room. I really love it. It's gonna be better, and I might show y'all the finished product. Oh, I might as well give y'all, I forgot the apartment.